So in this quick tutorial I'll show you how you can easily withdraw money with your TRC20 in your Exness. So first of all, you have to log in your Exness account, and you can see deposit and withdraw option. So you have to press on withdraw. I am going to from here withdraw, and then you can see I already deposit and withdraw with my perfect money, but I am now using USDT TRC20. So you have to press on TRC20, and this is the TRC20 make sure. And to external tron account, you have to enter your account username, and for that you need to go your Binance. I am showing the Binance account actually. So you have to log in your open Binance. So you have to open your Binance account, and then you need to go your wallet option. Press on wallet. This is the first interface. You have to press on wallet, and then you can see the spot funding earn. So you have to press on spot, and then I want to deposit money in my Binance. So you have to press on deposit, and then you can see the USDT. So you have to press on USDT, and then you can see the tron TRC20. So press on tron TRC20, and this is the deposit address. So you have to copy it. So I already copied, and back to my screen again. So I already copy my address here. So you have to put it here, and then you can select your amount. Suppose I want to withdraw $10. So you have to press on amount and press on continue, and you can see the conversion rate 1 USD to 1 USD to 1 USDT. So it's all okay for me, and you have to press on confirm. So Exness now send me a code, verification code. So I already get it, and you have to press on confirm, and it's shown my transaction is in processing. So view history. So you have to wait a couple of seconds. So I am waiting now. So within 2 minutes I got my SMS. My withdrawal is successfully done. So this is my current balance, and you can also check it from your desktop. Loading, and it's done. So this is how you can easily withdraw money from your Exness to TRC20. To create a new Exness account, then check my description box below. Thank you very much. Have a good day.